Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some star beads. If you don't have these, you could use pony beads. And I have neon pony beads and some clear glitter. I have about 3 feet of string here. You're going to need some scissors. And I have a needle, which is optional. And today we're going to be making this bracelet here. So if you don't have the stars, you could use whatever beads you have on hand, or you could use pony beads. You're going to start by tying the string on one bead here. We're going to remove this later, but this is just to keep things from falling off the end. And we're going to start with 2 pink, a clear, and 2 pink. We're going to add 1 star. You're going to add 2 orange, a clear, and 2 orange. And all you're doing is taking your string back around through all the beads. So you're making a loop. And you pull this string and hold the clear. We're going to add 1 orange. Now we're going to do yellow. Now you're just taking your string and going all the way through all those beads. Okay, and then grab the middle bead and this end. That's what it looks like so far. Now we're going to add a yellow star. We're going to do green. Grab the middle and then pull this string. Whoa. We're going to add a blue star. Whoops. And purple. Okay, we're adding the purple star. That's what it looks like so far. And now we're back to pink. So we're going to repeat the same thing that we just did right here. I'm going to go ahead and do this part off camera, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay guys, this is what it should look like after you have all your beads on. Now, this may be loose, so you'll have to go back and pull these down to tighten it up. Now we can remove that bead we tied. And we can make a knot to tie these together. And you can cut the small piece off. Now I'm going to add my needle, but if you don't have one, don't worry. Okay. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and go through these two pink and this clear here. And for this part, what we're going to do is look over here to figure out the pattern. So what we have, so we have a purple star here, and then we're going to add 2 purple pony beads, and then we have a blue star. Now if you look, it matches here and over here, and we're going to go through the clear. Okay, the next one, you'll look over here, we're going to do a green star, 2 green pony beads, and a yellow star. And we're going to go through the the clear. Okay, the next one, orange. Go through the clear. Go through the clear. Okay, that's the last set for this side. You're going to go through the clear, and we're going to go through all of these beads to get to the clear. To make this easier, I'm going to flip it over, because I just like to work on this side. And same thing we did over here. You're going to look and see what the pattern is. We have a blue star, 2 blue pony beads, and a green star. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do this side off camera, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, I have my last set here. We're going to go through the clear, and you can make a knot right here. And you might want to tie that a few times. And you can cut that off. And this is what it looks like. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.